Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is SGM Cooking Time. I'm going to cook today for the lunch vegetables, which is this green beans. This is already cooked because this is already ready to serve green beans. This is from Presyo na Yungi Bright Bonen. So this is it. This is our ingredients. And we have here the onions and garlic. And we have here the green paprika, the red paprika, the red and green chili, the tomatoes. I have here a white radish and meatballs, chicken meatballs. So if you have not tried yet cooking radish with green beans, try to cook because the taste of this radish is just like a chayote in the Philippines, and the taste is sweet. So I'm going to cook this one together with the coconut milk. This is our coconut milk, and I have here the garlic powder, the salt, the black pepper, the red paprika, and the chicken broth, this one. And I'm using this sunflower oil. So I have here already a preheated oil. So let's start cooking. This is the bay leaves. So I'm going to add from this heated oil these onions and garlic. So we will mix it. The garlic, onions, and the bay leaves. And I'm going to add the tomatoes. The red and the green chili. Mix it. This is a very easy and quick cooking because this is just meatballs and radish. This is easy to cook. And with these green beans that is already ready to serve. So we'll just stir fry these ingredients, and we will add this meatball. This is a chicken meatball, or in German we call it fricadelle. So we will just stir fry. And we will add this radish, white radish. The taste of the radish is very sweet when it is already cooked, and it's like a chayote in the Philippines. So mix it together like this. And add the paprika, the green and the red paprika. And we will add this red paprika powder. And pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of the salt, and this chicken broth powder. Okay. So we will just mix it. This is a sauteed radish with paprika, meatballs, And the next, we are going to add this beans. So just mix it like this. You can cook this in less than 10 minutes, okay? And now we are going to add the coconut milk. You don't need to add water because the coconut is 1 can. So guys, this is our menu for today. Radish with green beans with paprika and the meatballs. So this is a very easy and very quick cooking. So just let the coconut milk boiled in few minutes, and this is ready to be served. So I hope guys you like this cooking. So please give a thumbs up and leave a comment in order to improve my cooking, and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to SGM Creation Tutorials, Travels and Lifestyle. So don't forget also to watch my travel blogs exploring Germany and Switzerland, and also my DIY project recycling plastic waste and transform into a unique and beautiful DIY project. So this is now our menu for the lunch. It is green beans with radish, paprika, chili, meatballs with coconut milk. So look at this. This is already boiling. So when it is already boiling, the coconut milk, it is ready to be served. Look at this guys, very easy, and now this is very yummy food. You can serve this one together with the rice, plain rice. Look, it's so creamy because of the coconut milk. You can add green leaves with leafy vegetables if you want to add some leafy vegetables for this kind of recipe. Look, it is already boiling. The coconut is already boiling, and now it is ready for the lunch. If you want to add more chili and ginger, so it's up to you. This cooking I did not add ginger because I add more chili, the green and the red. And you can add also turmeric powder or curry powder if you want to look like yellowish color and adds more flavor to this cooking. So dankeschön, maraming salamat, shukriya, farestopoli, gracias for watching SGM Cooking Time. Look at the meatballs guys. The red chili, the green beans, and the paprika and the radish. This white one is the radish. So now it is ready to be served. Masarap na siya. So yummy and creamy. This is my recipe for today. Green beans with radish, paprika, and meatballs with coconut milk. Charap! Bye-bye, and see you again in my next cooking time.